Zaga, this is Bean Man representing for 2grantv. Few grand, round the corner, few grand, you know it got the boop on the head. Boop!
2 grand, like when you wash your hair with shampoo! You don't know 2 grand, respect, you don't know Bravo Ravers.
2 grand.
Watch your man camera icon the sauce boss fully and das. I hear me say 2 grand. You're the man.
It's me, KB, representing for 2grantv.
2grantv, big up Tron TV. Big up 2grantv.
2 grand. I was running a quick and fast like how Messi kick and pass out the bread with the sheep and grass.
Black and cold. I premier part. All over get the ball game late. On your birthday now. 2 grand, give me some highlight. Yeah, my father witness so me have to do this, so me have to do it. On your birthday. Happy birthday. So introduce yourself, then we go play the song, and you go back and hold your voice. So what's your name?
My name is Anthea Hewitt. And of course, on my birthday, I'm going to bless the place. Play a song, producer, big up yourself, upstairs. I'm going to start stuff like this.
We got one for producer. The producer got the name?
Claude Evans. I'm upstairs. My children is a little private man, you know?
Alright, so we'll premiere your song and then we'll just get to the business part. Ready up!
Oh, she wants to sing the song.
Hey, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. I'm the best of the place, yeah. Shut it. Hold on, man. Hold on, sir.
I'm gonna talk, miss. I never know you like a DJ. But hold on now. You're set? I never know you have a set. I just call them and tell you happy birthday, but since you're your birthday, you're going to benefit I know. Sing over your song. Go in now.
Hey! Oh, yeah! Jamaica fun, that's what it is. Jamaica, dedicated to you. Come on, I'm good for you. You know where I will be. Hey! Yeah. I don't know if anybody know me. I've never number one song. It go like this. Those schoolgirl days telling tales and finding nails are gold. But in my mind, I don't know it, man. I know they will still live on and on. Sing it out now. But how do you thank someone who has taken you from crayons to perfume? It is not easy, but I'll try. If you were in the sky, I would run across the sky in letters that would soar 1,000 feet high. Sing it. To serve, what to love. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, yeah, go. On your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I am telling you.
And I'm going up to New York this weekend, coming to get honored and do a big party up there. I'm going to do a show them up there. Then come back and say, come down the place, so I come back.
Alright, big up myself. Remember Mark Cash birthday celebration too. Becca Boss, alright. Business partner, John.
Yo, boom boom, I'm for that. Yo, what am I dealing?
That's for one again, for life.
Boom bang grenade, yo. Boom boom, come on.
Alright, grenade, I don't know why you're really bad boy. Yeah, boom boom, I don't know anything that you really get. Youngsters, I left them from buckler too.
Boom boom, boom boom, boom. Yo, boom boom, fix the complex.
Yo, feel them fraternity. Turn on the fucking lighters in your hair.
Alright, give me a vibes.
After we check, no more check.
Bumbo stop swing. Bumbo stop swing.
Oh, the man is so dirty and the man no Friday. Oh, you want the bed and the man a died. Breaking from your gun over the side. Follow DJ white man and fly away. How I do them? See how them a bembe. Listen to me, keep me and you better comprehend. When the lamb pass away, we know see the lamb crazy.
Becca Boss. Bright Light one family and 20 grand this. Remember Bright Light party on the 20th of the month here this weekend in Armadan. Walk on down!
Alright.
Don't get scared.
Sound turn up too low.
Go look at my Red Bull. No water. Give me a next cup. Paper. Now all my vibes, man. Alright. Alright. But when's we are gonna be? Read them up.
Alright.
Big anniversary, long weekend.
Alright.
Almighty protect me. Go away. Give me a mic. Give me a mic. Boys, give me a mic. Give me a mic. Don't you give me a mic. Give me a mic. Give me a mic. Hey, what did I say? Come check me, no one will show up. Pull up the people, something to talk about. Something to talk about. Something to talk about, cause them don't use them all. The hypocrites know exactly what them doing. Just money like them at time, who will find me? Nobody know how much I hear you know. I don't want no one like me, the girl them don't like me. I don't want no one, the girl them don't like me. I don't see the end of the rest like me. Cause I'm the architect, no boy never I
Them no one, no reach nowhere. But I'm on you, my enemy. Boom boom, sexy go inside. But the top is just us. But the top is just us.
in and you come and do this. One way and I straight way. Every snake come straight. Put your hand on here and tell me to be. We not stop, we not stop, we not stop, we not stop, we not batty out, we not batty out, we not batty out. We not stop, pussy no fuck, batty we know who we are. Come on, daddy, we are when you know, so we are flag. We buy the things, so we fuck with them. Let's go, me sing, I am back, yeah. Back a lot of money, so we don't carry no plan. Cool. Them tired of some little, we not keep friends with. I try to hear some boy do. Who see what we can take a show. What I do? Don't let this man come to solve, this man come to lie. This one them not getting a boy. No one not up, no one. Young man, that's represent us on the rest. We not good look for you. White cartel, freedom is a must. Get up on 15 grand money full up. Jesus, what a dog, how you gone? But just turn up in on a judgment day, man. Read it.
Yeah, so, yeah.
So pussy boys have what I get off. Cause your woman a beat you with jazz, you a crook. A bad man alone, me a fuck.
When the rifle and paper, you see not see another river. Shot and stripes and bleach me down, yes, bleach.
By that same thing I lick down.
You want me no bad.
Give me the thing I lick, I think that.
Yeah, la. Cause it a echo down a villa. You get it, ugly than a gorilla. Cause one in a dozen, tell it don't get it in a heart. Then a man, the man of me a gorilla. Man a dead place, better than she got killer. Big fat shot a fly through body villa. Little boy, you a monkey, the gun and the gorilla.
So pussy boys have what I get off. Cause your woman a beat you with jazz, you a crook. A bad man alone, me a fuck. Me a fuck.
Wanna see the thing I lick down?
So pussy boys have what I
I'm a straight man over here with the hand.
jazz, you a crook.
Over here there.
Man alone, me a fuck.
Hot prospect on the fire.
Man a me push master, me call him Machiavelli. Slow you down, big two inna your belly. See me head a bust like jelly. Just should have never took a round card, Eddie. When you see the Machi, they will tell man get ready. Hear the question like Chucky and Freddy. You show you this card and you will when you're ready. After me you will say you're down but no. Then you see the crew rogue up I'm belly. And the
Any man that put them man in a here, they're not cheap. Every man not cheap. Two man in a here. Two man in a here. If you have the light when you know, so you straight like that in a here. Walk like that.
me not buy for car, but if you jump back, I give you right on top, shot you with you.
Every straight man in a here. Born in the top, sit down. I make my fist in a lion.
Tell them, Panama can't come in a free fish.
No witch.
Want to not have fish. Yo, them bad.
Wakanda, when now I the glory of the first ever give me $100 US. I choose you to get to mama and go, no, yeah. Jesus Christ. People, I'm going to make money and get to mama Wakanda tonight. Truth is real, the hottest broadcast, Wakanda. 50 and 50, that's 100 in the US. Hey, I'm going to have an IP up, you know. Me and talk the truth and make people see them on people, but they're not playing one here. And the pilot say my fly over New Kingston. I'm going to tell the pilot, tap the plane. I make me come out. He said, no, you can't come out because the plane in the sky. Mr. Pilot, if you don't stop the plane, they're going to kill you. Take a detour. And the pilot take a detour. Me no want to go nowhere near New Kingston. Because around the someone I sell bottom. All of the man them are straight plus a million black in a blood clot here. Any boy can't put up on the friend. Bury on the friend.
It's a bombo, it's a grand spend.
It's the Aki walk, it's J-Town, it's the common sense. You know, say I one stand. Cause our peace, as I say the Almighty. I wanna take talk from no boy.
Oh man, for this your man and you talk it over. Oh man, this your friend and you kill it.
But wait.
I don't know, say come on, this your man and straight gunshot. Don't let it out, one clock here.
We never hesitate to rise, my God is mine. I'm standing for the good. It's like some more don't talk. When it's a gangster, it's a hilltop. When it's a boom boom, it's a grand spell. It's the Aki walk, it's J-Town, it's the common sense. You know, say I one stand. Cause I'm pissed. As I say the Almighty. I want to pull from no boy. This is a good fight the war. Big bomb of class in the wheel. No. You feel like they're gonna make it blessing on this mountain. No time now. Tell this. We never hesitate to rise, my own. And I'm standing for them couldn't find my own. Boy, if you know what feel me money by my own. When them come.
St. Paul. Big up yourself, St. Paul. Big up bad girl from Spain. A 10 grand a career, play it again and be a bad people there. Turn up his sound and play it again. How are you doing?
Mighty. I want to take talk from no boy. His Majesty God fight the war. With a big bomb buckler and wheel. You feel like take you like this man get it. No time, boom boom. Tell them this. We never hesitate to rise, my I'm standing for the
Trust me. We used to try with an illegal gun. When you swing the bus, we have the lights to fire on. And members say we have to take care of them before we take care of the cheap in them. We can't make it hungry. The belly is full. Clip never empty. Every gangster stand up.
I'm playing straight man. I'm taking play paper. Send boy. Nice. Boom boom. Run the place. When boom bang. Cut the road. The clip them loud. Bring cut the cloud. Very proud. Gunshot keep on them skin and the dust a spin when you're done with it.
Any boy violate that make it can be over for them.
Boom boom. And that's money for them play with. Mama and the son. When the friend I want to share with. Boom boom. Touch you and I do SK and spray with. Kill him and the body boyfriend when go lay with. Father hold them. Fast and I pray with. Gun where you must say.
People within our zone now. No fun no word boom. No fun no boom boom. That jumping your way near kill the selector. That jumping your way near kill her and the gatekeeper them. In our real life. But now me and him big. Me and him lavish. So the murder ration done. So me have to make a refresh on the memory.
Bad man something, this a bad man something. Can't spend something, this a bad man something. That's how I
When I say you couldn't call another everybody, because they don't know. They don't know. I missing the thing in the industry. I mean, the biggest as it is. While starting, I'm a pick. See, make a boss over there, so just a chat with my friend. Just I said to me, say, listen, we're dead from the beginning. But what?
the association, them are negative lifestyle, they're going to pray news, but come this way. I hear me now. Them got some people that want to thing, you know. When I have set up more because I don't want it to be held responsible for anything that is taken against it. But we are following the money. God is good, He wants the glory. Bright light is clean as I was. All we do is put funeral on the map. Dr. Boy, I'm a son therapy. Don't worry, I'm a son this, I'm a thing this, I can tell you. But then the family just a start. The whole of the fraternity, my body no bright light. We love the whole out there now. Remember that time I come on my party and big me up, and the son and big me up, everything, every day. Love them, no business, no serve people, and no, excuse me, like a son to your mother. Oh God!
We don't know what they're saying, they're not coming in. I'm not going to tell you one place from me. Oh, what they're saying, they're not coming in. No boy can't tell me nothing about dancehall music. China! Some boy read the white cartel. Some boy read the jail cartel. But you see me? Me read the black cartel. Can you see the black cartel? A bounty killer bossing. People never play the biggest and vibes cartel ever do in their life. All you agree with me, put a two on your ear, I hear it.
See us up to the time, they must have vibes cartel.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. So never
Man from 60s and 40s, you man never know I should real parties.
Big again, wanted to explode,
See us up to the time, they must have vibes cartel. Representing the hotel, nothing national, never.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is. So never whining with business, break out your life. Hey, level up! Me hear some dinosaur that talk about them killing goat. But here a goat them kill. Them kill a she-goat. And curry the she-goat.
Original.
And eat the she-goat. Cause them love to eat female. That's why them belly are run. Oh, look at kill the goat and we still around the world. I'm gonna right to start talk to the people. Oh, kill me, look here.
Original.
Any boy kill the real rabbit goat. But the girls them love. Them mother go dead. Them father go dead. Them sister go dead. Them brother go dead. Them auntie go dead. Them uncle go dead. Them cousin go dead. Them Batman friend them go dead. But them feel like all who don't say a boy violate your friend a straight gunshot. Go down.
20 more.
One more can I know? Tom, cheerful man. We got some African in the place. Give us some music for the Africans. No! London Sky Juice. There's only one goat. Oxford Cup. Alright, when they pop far from out here, the time now complain, say if they play for your game. And 13 now complain. How are you doing? Check that? Eh? Give me a voice!
I don't want nobody to be my mother. Saturday, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my time to spend the It's all about love. Love, really life is just, feel the vibe is just.
see one way along? She give a problem there. They talk of experience. Walk and talk. What you say? You have 20 women, the one way along, she give a problem there. Very stressing. Like how Jada stress you. But what you tell you say?
You think you coulda get in my feelings? You coulda get me to settle down. Maybe I hit and run. Maybe I hit and run. Maybe don't you want little thing? Nobody that look you must sit down. Maybe I hit and run. Maybe I hit and run. My youth, you take it too serious. Be a little piece, just a little feel up. So you take a set up on me, you eat up. You must be a small, give a little feel up.
What kind of tell me to play that song here? It's $200 US. Jeez! Woo!
Yeah, man, so boom boom. Aye, aye. Can't stay. You know what I'm can't stay with? You know, every quarter I'm staying now. I wish you can't turn now. From a day I be a friend, she push. She says a high pedal.
My international cheerleaders. I told them, touch them over there. Come on. Come on, the stage. Walk over here. Walk past Mecca Boss. Come on. Paper. That time you can't tell you, them girls that have to big them up. Them girls that endorse the culture. All over the world, bro. We have to love them and we have to respect them. You see that song you will never play for you now? And them take it to Europe. All of them make that song yourself. And then you know which song me I play now. I just get them off guard. You alright, Massis? You alright? I'm gonna play this song for you, huh? Let's go. Jesus Christ! Look at us, give me 10 grand food. Born in Jamaica. Can I keep it or you want it? Talk to me. If you want it, I give it. Can I keep it or you want it? Say no want it. 5 for you. 5 for you. Play back the song. What you got? Give me your mind. Slow down and mobilize. We don't need chilling anymore. What more can I do? I'm gonna play this song one more time. Look about just give a 10 grand photo. Yeah, remember this is Jamaica. The land of wood and fire. Play again. That doesn't look good. Give me love and my name is my head. Side of me. I should say stand up side of me. Remember a $300 US must spend for your clothes, one needy pig, make a boss, and the killer this year. Yeah, I'm not going to tell the people I'm holding this song, I'm just want you dance to it. Give me a back dance. Heard it? One needy pig! No one must see scary like the... No, them guys are going too bad. Them must send 2 man up there for them. Shakespeare, that one never just jump and split. Like you see, I go for Shakespeare. She are going too bad. Like a boss, we got the baddest thing, man, you know that. Alright, hold on, man. Shakespeare, go for her now. Make a boss, forward. Because they feel like me and you there in a pipes. And me and you carrying on no pipes. Tell them about my anniversary, but if you can pass.
31st to the 7th.
Happy day. Jamaican #1 DJ. Shakespeare! Bring her up on the balcony now, the original spot before Charlie Whitty give me the stage. Shakespeare! Hold on, no man! Shakespeare, look here, bring her up on the balcony up there, so the famous man. Look like that because sexually really up there. Shakespeare, you have a talk in Spanish, you don't understand English.
Hard and safety, hard and safe. Happy a girl man for the yard. Happy a girl come for the yard. Happy a girl man for the yard. Hard and safe, hard and safe. Girl, be here when you walk up the hard. When you go through one and watch you overseas, cheerleader, sir. What's size long? You are small, it takes for your story. Excuse me, it's like a movie. But me no come here for watch it like Netflix at home. When the killer ready for ship up on the liquor homie. When the brand homie, we use the crane, make your rain back waist by your knees like a brain. But then you see what the game. Hands up your body, man, you want to and we must watch you on. Pretty hard and safe, the hard and safe. Happy a girl man for the hard and safe. And every day a girl come for the hard and safe. Every day a girl man for the hard and safe. And it's cool as the man of God, them bagan.
That is a show on you when you want to get hard and stiff. Give me the hard and stiff, girl. Yeah. Biggest song for the rhythm right now when you come out to the girl sing. Jesus Christ. Here we go! Pool for the top of the drive, Range Rover. And my daughter turned doctor, and my next daughter turned lawyer. And my son I deal with real estate. One heap of them kill a help and them a crop. What more can I do? One heap of money, pack up and stock up my almighty. Alright! Mind up! Change your settings, the girl them can't ball. Keep rich money in my pocket to give them. Like we dance out the settings so that before mostly I in that.
It's not what I'm saying, it's how I got. We #1 channel, and it's Discovery channel. No one discover us. www.lagan.com. Yo, me a lagan, me lagan. It's cool as a lagan with a bagan. Yo, long we a long we.
Ching, go for Stacy good in club, Ching. Go for Stacy.
Lagan no. All them players say boy. And we have the whole place a lagan. Everything's me corner car corner. Boys, they come show them all I want lagan.
What's it use and they can do? People support it. And 13 dollars a week anniversary.
So put one fight for you.
Alright, King. I dance, we a dance. You not interrupt me. Walk to the club. She a put on too much weight because she stuck on my street. Make she dance and lose some of them women. Ready?
It's not what I'm saying, it's how I got. Big #1 channel, and it's this.
Let me put my money in the laptop.
www.lagan.com.
My area, take for the money, pull up on that time. You have to start stand up right to this.
All them players say bubble gone. And we have the whole place a lagan. Generally from you can't do
Roses. Zip it up. Willy bounce, and you lock it on, Gully creep, and you move around, dancers, move around. Hey, boom boom, hey, hurry up, hey, Milo, hey, world team, hey, how many dancers? Yo, boom boom, hurry up, say to your Milo. Zip it up, zip it up, zip it up, yo, hurry up, stir fry, turn up the bar, stir fry, yo, summertime, no one, everybody outside, I think we're more than enough for time, dancer, do it dancer, dancer, do it dancer, come and mash up your place, I know, come and mash up your place, I know. If they never go to so and get them they will run. If they never go to so and get
We can make it up back with Milo, you know, as a friend. But Milo poor and can't make right. We come there above Sunday from 10 o'clock and you play song so it goes. Now you the microphone and time. Milo, you don't know your respect academical globally and then abroad. You know, one ticket of my parents, sometimes head cross, hungry, maze. You know the badness come. Milo, big up yourself, love and love alone. World book, you know the badness come. Kick them in them face. Remember Kina, your brother. I was a cabinet.
Dancer,
Never put my basket where my can't reach it. Me know wear Gucci. Me know wear Louis. Because they have some man and they knock off Louis them and wear Gucci. Don't wear Zara. Because it can't knock off. Hey! Your Lee son from England. Take care of my table. Let no man them hold the table. Some of them boy I want to sit down for Almighty.
When you move on the phone, but where you want to go in front of the man from? You know, can't see the man from right now. Where you go, so I go. No, man, you put your phone in front of people, watch it.
Airbnb and I tell the girl and then own it.
You don't want that, man.
When I rent them renting, borrow them rent car, and I talk about them buy it. When I borrow them, borrow it. You see the real youth them, we steering our lane. All when we hungry, we run out. We are in a red. You hear that? Once you are in red, you have to go on TikTok. And you have to make Perry lion. And then Perry, I go give a lion. Around the corner, Perry, I give a iron. We got the key over there in our states. And I break them. And the youth over there overseas. We deal with investment. We know so we have things at Jamaica. And we have things abroad. Let me tell all of this don't get to you. Not for them boy I want to see and live them life. Them man comfortable. Because them can't sit like how me sit comfortable. Them back part of bud them cosmic. Not for them can't go see because them buckle and pull. You hear that? Some of them boy are batty boy them. You hear that? Not for them boy are suck pussy. Y'all sit down in them face. Y'all shit in them head. So when you see them with them things, them are comfortable because them can't say your face. Them come in to sing. Them man, the woman, them don't say us the real way. And you're proud of your achievement. 29 blood clot here now.
Please stop it, capping. Everyone, please stop it, capping.
It's gone full of money. What things? AC boss!
That kill me, man.
Follow from seeing
Say them up in a line. Come. How are the blood clot this time? Check. Blood clot in the top of my bro. I know you can't see Jesus Christ. Please stop it, Captain. Please stop it, Captain. I said it, Captain. Get it that son. Clap your body, let's see a clap your body. Now below, send them jam by your bed. I come on, with the bad things in the crowd. When I tell him, them pussy on the cash. Look where you have, where you know a boss flash. If you watch you, I'll be a brave from a poop on the block. Why you are lost? Fuck out your boys, stuff them. Me a sip and mash, y'all eat cock. That kill me, man.
20 grand.
Say them up.
Come on, man.
How are the blood clot discharge? Check. Bad man, me on the turn, bro. Blood clot in the charge, top of high, bro.
Love it. Thinking. Your brother on a red chest selector. Millions of
Jesus Christ. Please stop it, Captain. Please stop it, Captain. I want your son. Clap your body, let's see a clap your body. Now below, send them jam by your bed. With them friend things, when I calling them pussy on a cashing, 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 them pussy, shut them out when you're talking a shit. The money enough, money out, but the real
you back this question. Eh? My big bro, I love you so much. Go nigga, ready? Shut up! Them out, I'm
shut them out when you're talking a shit. The money enough, money out, and the real money now.
TV, well hot. Is it 2 grand? Yes. If we reach a morning, I would give him 20 million.
Hold on, 2 grand. It's more than 1,000,000, 1,000 and 100 grand.
But you know I'm reason for cheese to get the girl in easy. I'm here reason for 2 grand.
A long time watch
no, my boss, Steve.
2 grand. I want to see you.
A 2 grand TV this. Everybody watch a TV here. Anybody now watch a TV here? Who now wicked. 2 grand TV, I him send it to the world. We can't pay him, but him have to pay with.